Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover Snapchat photos, videos and chats. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Snapchat. Once you open Snapchat, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top left, and then you need to click on the gear icon in the top right, and here you need to scroll down until you will find an option that is My Data. Click on that option, and here you need to log in into your account first, and after that you will find this page, and here you need to scroll down, and here you need to enter your email address and confirm your email address. So let me enter my email address again, and let me confirm that. Okay, and click on submit request. Once you click on that, you will receive all of your data on your email address, and the Snapchat team will send you all of your data. So this is the process by which you can recover photos, videos and chats on Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.